Hi friends, today we will show you how to use the bracelet to repair the bike, how to create a real 3D projection at home, and how to make crepes easily or french fries, even if you aren't able to cook. Give us likes and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with interesting gadgets. The first item is definitely useful for those who like to cook or just eat what others cook. This electric crepe maker will delight you with delicious crepes, and you no longer have to scrape them off the frying pan. Now the cooking of crepes will be super comfortable. It's enough to take a heated gadget, dip it into the dough, wait a little, turn it over, and after a while, you will enjoy a delicious crepe, but you can do it even tastier. If you don't want your cat always sitting with a hungry look in front of you during lunch, you can distract his attention with such an interesting toy. It is a circular arena in which a mouse runs, which can be caught, but it's not easy to do this as you can see. In addition, this toy will not only entertain your cat, he can also sharpen his claws on the surface and battle again. The next item is a folding ladder. Having seen it, all your friends and acquaintances will definitely give up their old and bulky step ladders. Judge it for yourself. It takes up less space, it's much easier to carry, quickly and easily folds and unfolds. The ladders are sold in different variations from 2.5 to 5 meters. Do you think this is a worthy replacement for your old stepladder? For creative people who like to draw, but they are really cramped in two-dimensional space, we have something just for you. This is a 3D pen with which you will be able to create incredible things. How it works: you plug the pen into an outlet, fill it with a plastic rod and press the button. The rod starts to melt inside the pen and comes out of the tip. Several skeins of plastic are already included, but we also left a link to additional skeins in the description. By the way, be careful if you give the pen to a kid. The tip is quite hot while the pen is working. Technology is rushing forward at great speed, but we still can't get rid of the wires completely. And you all know how annoying this bundle of charging wires, headphones, and cables is. This cable organizer is able to save you from this problem. It's not only a storage space, but it's also an automatic twisting device, so you don't have to untangle wires anymore. Just look how fast and easy the cable organizer does this. I'm sure you've never seen a projector like this before. Yes, in the off state, it doesn't look so impressive. But as soon as you turn the device on and turn off the lights, the blades start to spin quickly and everything you want appears on them. 3D holograms, videos, or even a photo that you have just made. The projector is controlled via Wi-Fi using a special application for iOS and Android. It's a great invention that will surely decorate your home, isn't it? The next gadget in our collection is a pocket mini printer. It works quite simply. You just connect the printer to your smartphone using a special application, select the desired photo, and start printing. Printing takes place on special paper similar to paper for checks, and photos are printed in black and white. It looks pretty funny, doesn't it? With this reverse umbrella, you will definitely not spill water on yourself when closing the umbrella. In addition, it looks quite unusual. We should also note the convenience for drivers when getting out of the car in the pouring rain, and as with a usual umbrella, there are a large number of colors for everyone's taste. We love showing you new vehicles, so meet Skatecycle. It's more like a skateboard, but there's something of a bike in it as well. For example, here you can also turn a wheel, even 2 wheels to be more precise. Just look at the tricks you can do on it. Anti-slip pedals on the wheels will not let you fall during the bends. And after your ride is over, you can fold your Skatecycle and go home. And again, this is an item for your kitchen. This is an electronic deep fryer with which you can cook a huge number of delicious dishes, including pizza, chicken wings, french fries, and other dishes without oil, or just using it in small quantities. There are many settings that will help your cooking, even if you're not quite good in it. The next interesting thing is this multi-tool bracelet for males that will help you in everyday life. For example, if you need to pull out the tray for SIM cards or to perform specific tasks, when you need to quickly screw something, repair, or in size. It contains 29 different tools and even a bottle opener. Do you agree that this bracelet looks very cool? Now, Iron Man can fly right in your home. More precisely, it will levitate above his magnetic base. Position the Iron Man above the stand so that he touches the surface with his abdomen. Gradually, it will twist and detach from the stand, hovering in the air. The superhero figure has an LED backlight, many small details, and is sold in different colors. The developers promise that this superhero can fly up to 6 years with continuous work every day for 24 hours a day. I wonder if this is really so. This gadget will be an indispensable companion for all fans who like to play games on tablets or smartphones. Touchscreen control often does not allow comfortable use of all the features of a game, so that's where this special game joystick comes in to help. It connects to devices based on iOS or Android via Bluetooth. The joystick is adjustable to fit any size smartphone or tablet from 5 to 10 inches and can work up to 20 hours with a full charge. With this device, a smartphone or tablet can be easily converted into a convenient gaming console. This interesting gadget will appeal to all who have long dreamed that his tablet had sensory abilities. Simply attach the device under the screen with the special magnets from the kit and connect the AirBar to your laptop via USB cable. Thanks to the active sensors, this gadget will begin to project an invisible light field above the screen surface and send touch data to the operating system for processing. If necessary, the AirBar can be easily removed, and the magnets do not interfere with closing the laptop. With this pen scanner, you can instantly transfer information from books, newspapers, and magazines to your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or computer. The device recognizes not only text, but numbers also. It translates more than 40 languages and works with any text program or web editor. Also, the pen is able to read the scanned text aloud, and foreign language learners will definitely like it. Write in the comments what gadgets were interesting to you the most, and what of them seemed completely useless to you. See you soon!